Imagine if you could build a professional website just by describing it in plain English without writing a single line of code. Sounds impossible, right? Well, that is exactly what Lovable AI does, and today I'm going to show you how. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to explore Lovable AI, one of the most powerful AI website building platforms available today. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, content creator, or someone with absolutely no coding experience, Lovable AI makes creating websites incredibly simple. Before I show you a live demonstration, let's first understand what Lovable AI is, how it works, and why so many people are using it to build websites and web applications. So, what exactly is Lovable AI? Lovable AI is an AI powered no code and low code platform that helps you build websites and full stack web applications simply by chatting with AI. Instead of spending hours writing HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or backend code, you simply type a prompt describing what you want. For example, you could say create a skincare e commerce website with a modern aesthetic and a shopping cart, and within minutes, Lovable AI generates a working website for you. It is designed for everyone from beginners who have never coded before to developers who want to build projects much faster. The best part is that you're not limited to simple landing pages. You can create full applications with authentication, databases, payment systems, dashboards, and much more. So essentially, Lovable AI turns your ideas into real websites using AI. Now, let's see how the platform actually works. The process is surprisingly simple. First, you describe your idea using natural language. Next, the AI understands your prompt and generates a complete website or application based on your requirements. Once it's generated, you can continue chatting with the AI to make changes. For example, you can ask it to change colors, redesign sections, add new pages, improve responsiveness, or even add new features. One of the biggest advantages is that you get a live preview while making these changes, so you can instantly see how your website looks. Lovable AI also integrates with tools like GitHub, allowing you to sync your projects, and it supports databases and authentication services, making it suitable for real world applications, not just prototypes. This conversational workflow makes website development much faster and easier than traditional coding. Now, let's take a look at some of the key features. With Lovable AI, you can build websites without coding, generate beautiful responsive designs, create full stacked applications, connect databases, add user authentication, integrate payment gateways, deploy your website with just a few clicks, sync your code directly to GitHub for further development. Because of these features, you can build almost anything. For example, business websites, portfolio websites, e commerce stores, booking platforms, SaaS applications, dashboards, educational platforms, AI powered tools. The biggest advantages is the amount of time it saves. Projects that could normally take days or even weeks can be created within a few hours or even minutes using AI. So, why are so many people choosing Lovable AI? It's because it combines speed, simplicity, and powerful AI into one platform. You don't need years of programming experience to bring your ideas to life. Even if you've never built a website before, you can start by simply describing your vision. At the same time, experienced developers also benefit because they can prototype projects much faster and customize the generated code whenever needed. Overall, Lovable AI makes web development more accessible, faster, and much more enjoyable. Now that we have understood what Lovable AI is and what it's capable of, it's time for the exciting part. Enough with the theory, let's open Lovable AI and build a website together from scratch. I'll walk you through every step, starting from signing up, writing the first prompt, customizing the design, and finally finishing off the website. So let's jump straight into the live demonstration. Okay, so let's jump into the live demo. This is the Lovable AI homepage, and this is where you will start. So just click on Get Started, and you can log in using Google, GitHub, or your Apple account, and just type your email. Okay, so now you will be directed to this dashboard. So now let's click on View My Credits. So now here you can see your daily build credits. It gives you 5 credits each day, and you can also buy the credits for $25 or $50 if you want. Okay, so now we're on the dashboard, which is where you'll spend most of your time. So now let's take a quick tour. So now this is the left sidebar. So on the left side, you'll find all your existing projects. Where you create a new website or application, it will appear here. This makes it easy to revisit and continue working on older projects. So in the center, this is the prompt box. So this is basically the heart of the Lovable. Instead of coding, you simply describe your ideas, the project that you want to make in natural language. So next we have the resources. Here you can basically start making your website, choosing a template. So you can choose any template you like. From here there are many templates which you can choose from. Okay, so next section that we have is the connectors section. So connectors allow us to integrate our lovable projects with third-party services such as databases, authentication, providers, payment gateways, email services, and other APIs. Instead of building everything from scratch, we can securely connect our projects to these external services and add real functionality. Okay, so now let's move on to creating our website. So I previously created a website which was based on perfume. So the name of the website was Mist Moods. So in that basically you could customize your perfume based on your mood. So it was a really unique concept, and I would like to show you that website in the end of the video. So now let's start creating the project. So now in the prompt box, I'm going to type a detailed description. So now since we have to write a detailed description, I would suggest you to search the prompt on ChatGPT and then paste it on Lovable AI, so that the website is more creative, it is more informative and detailed. So now we'll go to ChatGPT and then we would give ChatGPT the idea of the website that we want, like a vision, and then it would give us the prompt. So let's write the prompt. Okay, so I have given my prompt to ChatGPT and it is quite huge, but I've explained everything, like all my requirements that I want. So let me just read it out. So I want to make a website on Lovable AI based on candles, skincare products, bath bombs, and basically everything girls use for relaxing. So it can include many kind of bath bombs, lip products, masks, serums, body oil, body butter, eye cream, lip scrub, overnight masks, gift sets, and etc. Everything that a girl can use to relax before going to sleep. The name of the website will be the Calm Co. I want the website to be aesthetic, calm, cozy, girly, and based on night aesthetics. Every product should have unique and fun names and many scents and types. So I want to make a professional website with all the features like the payment gateway options, articles on the products. Then add the sidebar, adds category and filter, add wish list, add to cart option, and some random reviews. The website should be dynamic and responsive. The color combination should be professional and attractive, and the font style and color should look good with it. Whenever the website is opened by a customer, there should be a pop up screen or a template which has a new product or maybe some discounts which will attract the customer. Also, add the discount code which the customer will get some discount. And I also want to add a section in which the customer can make their own DIY face mask and lip products according to their needs, choice, style, and flavor. They can also add their name on the package as a memory. So give me a proper detailed prompt based on my requirements. So this is the prompt, and I gave it everything that I want, the products that I want there, and then I also gave it the name and what vibe should the website have. So I gave it everything. Now let's enter the prompt. Okay, so now it has given me a detailed prompt and a really big prompt with proper idea like what I want. So this works for Lovable AI as it can understand better. So now we will basically just copy this prompt and then paste it on Lovable AI. Okay, so now you can just paste the prompt, and you can also choose the template if you want from resources, but since I have a type in my mind, so I'm not using a template. And here you can choose build, which can make changes directly, or you can plan. So it basically discusses before building, so it would ask you many questions. So I'll just use build and just enter. Now the AI begins the working. So now you'll notice that Lovable doesn't instantly produce a finished website. Instead, it actually thinks through the request, and it creates the project structure, writes the necessary codes, builds different sections, and assembles everything into a working application. So this usually takes anywhere from a few seconds to a minute, depending on the complexity of the website or the prompt that you've given it. Okay, so now as you can see, it has made the website as per my requirement. So now to full screen this, you can just click on this icon, which is the sidebar, and then return home. Now you can see create your perfect calm moment, and the theme is all blue and it is night themed because I gave it in the prompt. Luxury self-care essentials designed for peaceful nights and beautiful rituals. So this is shop self-care and create your ritual, and then it is curated for nighttime. So now you can look at all the products which are available. Evening essentials, create your own calm ritual, so you can customize your product, and then you can also make gift sets, and there are reviews which I set it to add, and there are also articles and journals. um, you can add your email address, and in the end there's contact us, shipping, returns, FAQs, about us, privacy, terms of service, journal, and etc. So now let's create your ritual. So now you can DIY a face mask or DIY a lip balm. So let's try doing lip balm. So enter your name, add the flavor you want, color, and the packaging you want. Now here you can look at this, a ritual for Rhythma the Calm Co Dot. Rhythma's Vanilla Dream Balm. It has added the flavor, color, and packaging, and also the price. So the total is $28. You can just add it to the ritual bag. Okay, so now when you click on shop, here you can look at each and every product. Now it has basically added the same images on each product, so you can give it the prompt to change the images for each items and do it different for each items. I think I did not specify that in the prompt, so that is why it came out like this. And you can also add this thing to the wish list, and it would be added over here. So your wish list, and it has also added the filters, so lavender, rose, vanilla, coconut, strawberry, and there are also prices and ratings according to which you can, or the customers can, buy the products. And also there are all the products which are available. And then if you click on the shopping bag, you can click on checkout, and then it would basically direct you to the payment gateway. But I think I'll have to give it the prompt to direct it to the payment gateway, and then also to change the images for each products. But as you can see, there are zero free credits remaining today, so I am not able to customize this thing. So over here you can look at it, you can basically navigate to any page you want. So about, you can also go to contact, or you can just type home, then it would navigate it to the home page. Now since this website is not fully completed because there are zero free credits remaining, if this is something that happens with you, you can basically just wait for tomorrow, and then your 5 credits would be redeemed, and then you can again edit the website as per your requirement and tell it to add the payment gateway and add the images differently. And for now I will show you the website that I created previously, which was known as Mist Moods. Okay, so now over here you can look at this, all my projects. So this one is the website that I created previously. Okay, okay, so now from here you can change the view, like desktop view, you can do it tablet view, and you can also do it mobile view. So you can look the different type of layouts that will appear when you open this particular website from different devices. So if you open it from mobile, it would look like this. If you open it from a desktop, it would look like this. Okay, so now let's take a look. So now as you enter the website, this is a box that would pop up. So it is welcome to Mist Moods, and it is a discount code that you get. So it is mood mist 15. You can copy this or you can claim discount and shop now. Okay, so this is the website in which I made the perfumes related to moods. So every mood has a fragrance, luxury perfumes, and handcrafted attires composed around emotion. Choose how you want to feel. We'll bottle it. So you can look at this. It added a image, and the theme is very luxury. Explore collection, build your own. There's also given the description. You can choose your mood. It has many types of scents that you could choose from. You can also build your own perfume, and again these are some reviews and the notes and stories. So now let's click on explore collection, and now here you can look at all the products that are available. So now there are many products with different images. Again you can filter it if you want comforting and refreshed at the same time. There are multiple moods that you could choose from: energetic, grounded, and etc. Then there's scent family, and then there's gender if you want unisex or women or men, and you can also choose from according to the price that you want. And then you can also search the particular um, perfume that you want. So for example, if I search vanilla, so this is the product that appears, and it is also given bestseller. You can add this on the wish list and it would add over here. You can also add this in the cart if you want to buy the product. So you can also, let's go to DIY scent lab. So now you can basically build your own perfume. So you have to pick your notes, choose 3 to 6 notes from any layer. So top notes, let's choose some heart notes, base notes. And now you can also choose the intensity if you want it to be very bold or if you want it to be very subtle. You can also choose the bottle design, and each bottle has different prices which you can choose from. And you can also name your perfume. So let's just say Midnight Aria. So now this is the product that you have made. Name is Midnight Aria. You can see the notes, intensity, and the bottle that you've chosen, and the price, which is 2,739 rupees. And you can add custom to cart. Okay. And then this is the profile from which you can continue with Google. You can sign in, or you can also create an account if you want. And you can also add a password and just click on create account. And now this is journal, where you can find different journals related to each perfume and scents, and also about, so what this website is about basically. And now when you go on your cart, you can look at the products that you have added to your cart. You can add shipping details. So let's add it. Then you can also add city and the state. And then you can customize your order according to your need. if the customer has any allergies, so you can exclude vanilla, so let's say exclude coconut. And you can also write it manually. And then there's an order summary, and you can also add the coupon code which you saw at the start. You could just add it simply, and then this is the total. Shipping is free, and then you can choose from the payment method that you want. You can either do UPI, GPay, PhonePe, net banking card, or you can just simply do it cash on delivery and just place order. And now it shows order confirmed. So it shows your order ID, the mode of payment, the amount, and the status. And then you can view your orders or you can continue shopping. Okay, so this was a website that I completed fully. And over here you can basically look at the codes that it has used. So now you can look at all the codes over here. Okay, so before we finish, here are a few tips that can help you generate a better website. So first, always write detailed prompts which you can use for which you can use chat gpt. Second, mention the color scheme, target audience, and features you want, and also add wish lists and payment gateways and whatever features you want to add in your website. Third, make changes one step at a time instead of requesting everything at once. And finally, preview your website regularly before publishing it anywhere you're publishing it. So that's how you can build a complete website using Lovable AI, from creating an account all the way to publishing a live project. As you can see, the platform makes website development much faster and easier by letting you communicate with AI in natural language instead of writing codes manually, which is very difficult and hard. So I hope this demonstration gave you a clear understanding of how Lovable AI works and how you can use it for your own projects or by making websites. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this demonstration helpful. So thank you so much for watching.